Hi friends, my name is Offshore and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will share with you how you can hire an offshore accident lawyer in Houston. So I hope this will help you go through your conditions. So hiring the right offshore accident lawyer is important. If your family member has been hurt while working as a dock worker, seaman, or oil and gas industry employer, these jobs are very difficult and dangerous. You rely on your employer and other responsible parties to put in safety measures and make sure that they are followed. Unfortunately, too many companies do not protect their workers. The attorney at the Waldman Legal Group will uncover and negligence that contribute to your injuries. We will fight to make sure that you receive the money you need to pay your bills and move forward with your life. Okay, so what damages can give my maritime worker inquires? As your offshore injury lawyer, our goal is to make sure that how whoever is responsible is held accountable. We will make sure that you receive the money you need to recover from your injuries and pay your bills. Damages you may be entitled to fall into two main categories: economic and non-economic. Economic damages are pretty straightforward. They may include money for medical expense, money for expected future medical expenses, wages lost due to your recovery, vocational rehabilitation, loss of earning capacity. Not all losses are clear cut or obvious. Of course, non economic damages are meant to be compensate you for emotional pain and offering an extreme and lower quality of life. In some cases of extreme negligence, you may have the right to the punitive damages. These are designed to punish the pain thief. If you qualify as a seaman under the Jones Act, you may be eligible for benefits called maintenance and cure. Maintenance accompanies the worker for the cost of room and board as they recover. Cure is the most of the inquired seaman's medical expense along with transportation required to get the treatment. Once the seaman reaches maximum medical improvement, maintenance, cure, and benefits ends. Maximum medical improvements means the person is healthy as they are going to get even if not fully cured. What is the Jones Act and does it apply to my case? The Jones Act is also called the Merchant Marine Act of 1920. Is a federal law that gives seamen certain protection. It allows them to sue their employer if they are injured on the job due to employer's negligence. If you spend most of your time working on board or vessel in navigation, you may be considered as a seaman. If you work on a vessel as a sailor, deckhand, diver, engineer, driller, mechanic, captain mate, steward, cook, fisherman, or another capacity, you may meet the definition of seaman. If you do fit the definition of seaman under the law, you are not eligible for worker compensate compensations. You must seek compensation for your inquiries through the Jones Act. Under the Jones Act, employees of seamen are required to provide a reasonably safe work environment and maintain the vessel in the reasonably safe condition. The Jones Act holds employers liable even if the injured worker contributed to the accident in some way. For example, of unsafe condition that employers may be liable for include broken or poorly maintained equipment, oil or gas on the deck, lack or for proper training, lack of proper equipment, negligence of worker. There's many things. So generally, you must file your Jones Act suit within 3 years of the date of the accident. So even if you don't qualify as a similar accident to the Jones Act, there are other laws in place that may apply to your case. These include the Outer Constructional Self-Lands Act and Longshore and Harbor Worker Compensation Act. If your loved ones was killed in merchant accident, the Death on the High Seas Act may apply. So friends, how much it cost for my offshore accident? It's important for us to determine exactly how much your case is worth without meeting with you and researching your case. Even then, past recoveries cannot be predict or guarantee future outcomes. There are many variables that help determine how much money you may receive. So friend, there's many things that you should know. So I will make another video on it. So I hope you understand the main concept, how you can hire a offshore inquiry. So let's meet in next video. Take care. Bye bye.